Hi guys, welcome to a new Corvette video. The Corvette of my son here. And we are working on the door handle. I have to take it out because the door handle didn't work anymore. So, as you can see, we took it out. And that's what this video is all about. So stay tuned for that. So to remove this annoying plastic cover, there's two screws that needs to be removed, and that is one here and the other one here. So let's do that. So the handle is out here, but it is still holding back right there. So we have to make it loose here. See? There we have to make it loose. There. To be able to get the handle out. So let's try to loosen that clip there so we can take it out completely. So as you can see, the clip is removed. And now we should be able to get that thing out of here. So let's try to do that. So as you can see, we have it out. And the clip is fallen down here at the bottom, but I will have to catch it with a magnet. This is again a wrap for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Hope you liked it, and if you did, hit a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. The next video will be about the Range Rover here. It will be a longer video, but I have to work on editing a bit to get it ready very soon. So stay tuned for that one too. And find us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. And consider subscribing if you didn't already. Most of all, have a wonderful day. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.